Hey people, this is Elder Laws. Some people like to call me Chicken Hawk. You know, we came out here. This is the first tournament of the year. You know, I've been practicing with these fools lately, and I went on just handling some business today. So it's tournament time, so that's what we do. We come out here, we put it in that water, and you got to come out with some fish. You hear me? That's how we doing it. Stay tuned.
Still in the game.
I got what we supposed to get.
First play. What's up, everybody? This is Ryan Johnson with moneybass.com, out here on our first tournament of the Rod Bender's Bass Club season. It is gonna be raining today. Have my GoPro set up, but might not have audio on it today because I have the waterproof casings on those. So we're getting ready to blast off in a little bit. See if you can see. Got the guys out here. But all right, y'all, I'll be checking back in a little bit. Hopefully we have a good day out here on the lake.
Thank you for allowing us to gather this morning as a club, as a brotherhood. Come out to fellowship, fish. Grant you your peace, your love, your grace, and your mercy as you've shown it upon us as we travel here today. We look forward to being out here on the lake and having a safe and wonderful time.
There we go. It's fish number 3. It's not a big one, but I gotta get my limit. Still in the game. Still in the game. Oh, man, I needed that. That's a confidence booster right there. Have 4 fish now. Need that 5th one. I don't know if all of it has been on camera today because of the weather and everything, but I have lost 3 fish. One of them came off right at the boat. I think I have the footage of that one. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. We got 1 hour left. All right, that's all she wrote. Time to head to the scales.
What, man?
What's up?
Huh?
We got Mr. Chicken Hawk here on the scene. What you got to say to your people today?
Ain't nothing to say, man. We just season started, right?
That's
Season
right.
Started, I ain't know what was how many we supposed to get. Okay.
What you got, Chicken Hawk?
I got what we supposed to get.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, man. It was hard out there. All the other films y'all been looking at, that was practice. So we got a little small ones around here. Just a little small right there. A little small, you know.
Hold that one up. Hold that up.
5 is 5, man. 5 is 5.
Okay.
5 is 5.
All right.
That's all I got to say.
All right. Yeah, Chicken Hawk out there on the lake today doing a little something. Uh-oh.
There's something else. 5
All
is
right,
5.
that's 2.
5 is 5. That's what I say, man. You know, that's the same. 5 is 5.
Uh-oh. Okay.
All right. Come here. All that foolishness. All right, that was fun. Oh.
Uh-oh, going to the big side. Look at Mr. Chicken Hawk. I got him a good, that one look like it might be 3. That might be a 3 something right there.
Yeah, it's a little bit more than 3, man. But don't you worry about that. You let the people worry about that. Big ones, man, they hard to get around their mouth.
Alright. Is that 5 or 4?
That's 5.
Oh, okay, that's 5 right there. Alright, let's head to the scale, see what it's looking like.
Man, got a new bag. New bag for a new game. Remember
New
that.
bag.
New bag. New bag for a new game. All that food is going to leave that at home.
What you got, Law?
5.
Too much. Again, start checking to see if I had a low jack somewhere.
First 3 weigh in, get make sure you get down, right?
What? Well, you gonna be about to spill one now. There's been a lot of them in front of you.
Is that a crappie?
Which one?
Man, boy.
You talking about the little bitty one? Now see, I didn't do that. I didn't even say that about that little bitty one being a crack.
Sorry.
Oh my God. There it is.
You had an anchor with that little bitty one, didn't you?
There it is.
You know he gonna have to be 12. You sure don't want to get him up. All right, let's get 5 908. 908. Big girl. 399. He shrunk. He just got to be legal, that's all.
Putting in work, baby. That's what we do, right? Water ain't gonna make your foot slow, man.
Right after that, I had 2 of them. When I tried to get the net, the thing was stuck on my pole. So I started to flip it. Then I was like, nah, let me get it off the pole. Because I didn't think it was gonna come off. And the thing came off. I got it on camera.
Whoa.
When it jumped in the air, yeah. Whew. Close that up. Those monsters trying to get out of there. Size limit is 12 inches on this lake. That one right there is about 13 and a half. Wasn't able to get that 5th fish for the day. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what all we got for you today. All right, so got number 2. It's a decent looking one. Eldrick. All right, let's go ahead and take these to the scales and see how we're looking for today.
That's big mouth bass.
Yeah. Yeah, I lost 3. I only have 4 fish. I got 2 of them on camera jumping in the air and throwing my hook.
I know.
We dump in the water.
Yes, sir. Ryan got 5.
4.
4, I'm sorry. You got 2 hogs, maybe take 5. Ryan got 4? Yeah, 4. 4 live. That fish is sucking water. 9 even. Alright, here's the big one. 391. 391.
Thank you, sir.
What you had?
9 something. I think 9 even. 9. All right, y'all. Finishing up the day here at Lake Hardin. Putting in work.
DP, you got nothing but love, man. You ain't got nothing but love for you, man.
You got 7 days to be.
No, you said beat you in the tournament. I beat you. Nope.
They said make it time.
No, it's a new year. It's a new year.
I whoop your ass for sitting though, right?
It's a new year.
Okay.
You can't talk about stuff that happened.
That's it?
2020.
Yes, I can.
Third place, Eldrick lost 9.71.
Yes, sir. I don't call you chicken hawk no more.
Second place, Mike Porter 1070.
Hold on, what up, boy? Hey, don't even say it, man. Don't even say it, man.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, that's what they say that. Don't even say it, man.
First place, Mike Murphy. 11.89.
What town is that from?
Hey, north side. North side.
Also goes to Eldrick Lost 3.99. What side of town?
North side. You don't know it. You don't know it.